Oh, dali, sayo ko lang.
Kundi may isa pa siyang ihandang dance performance para sa ating natin mo once again, para sa last time. Let's give her another round of applause. She deserves another TikTok Glam Wonder. Once again, ayan po, Mommy and Daddy, kindly join us here in front for a photo opportunity. Ayan, yes po, Mommy and Daddy, kindly join us here in front for a photo opportunity together with our McDonald's best friend and of course our birthday celebrant.
Kayo, wala pa. Wala pa kayo. Meron na.
Pwede nyo lang puntahan ang ating birthday.
Ayan.
Ayan, sa lahat ng ating mga kids, kindly join us in front for a photo opportunity.
Pa-picture kayo, picture.